Oh, she got a kiss. She didn't like it. Oh, I'm a hot mess. Ah! Good morning, guys. So I found the magic cup yesterday. Thanks to another mom on YouTube. She told me which cup she uses. And we didn't use a bottle last night. Because these ones we can't really use at nap time, bedtime. Plus I only have 4 of these. So, I found the magic cup. No more bottles. Mommy can pack them all away. And say bye-bye bottles. Oh, are you posing? Cheese. Oh, you found Minnie and Mickey. Are you done already? Cheese. What color cup do you have?
Blue.
Sage has blue. Silly. You have red. What color is that? You know that color. Red, silly. What color do you have? What color is this? You're too busy. Can't come. Blue. Good job. Didn't think you could come up for air.
I thought that was Mimi.
Minnie. Can I high five?
No.
Oh, you'll give me a high five? Oh, I'm gonna take a high five anyway. Oh my, those eyes. What's that about? Minnie. Can you blink at me? Wink, 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 wink. Look at that. Oh,
Mimi.
so cute, Sage Man.
Mimi. Mimi.
Yes, Minnie and Mickey. And Poppy officially claimed these pajamas. We were going to put them on Sage last night, and she threw a massive fit because she had to wear them because they had Mickey on them. And I don't think they would have fit Sage anymore anyway. I think his belly would have been sticking out. You're not done. Finish it. Are you done? So those are officially Poppy's pajamas. And they are 3T, so she is starting to grow. And I just bought her all 2T pajamas. I should have went up a size, huh, Pop-Tart? Oops.
No, Mimi.
Minnie.
No.
Minnie's gonna come drink your milk. Mmm, that's yummy. Your turn, Poppy.
Debbie? No.
That Debbie that she says, I think, is thank you.
Nummy.
Nummy.
No, Mimi.
It's Mickey's turn.
Nummy.
Minnie's turn. Num 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 num. Mmm, that's good milk. Mwah.
Debbie?
Oh, Goofy? You want Goofy to drink your milk?
Okay.
Okay. Here, Goofy can drink your milk. Gulp, 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 gulp. Hurt, hurt. I'm a bad impersonator, guys.
Mimi, no!
Who's here to visit you? Oh, she says breakfast. Look at that dance. Where'd Uncle Derek go?
He's gone.
She's your buddy.
Sagey.
She just disappears into the white.
That's a green ball. Good job.
Sweetie pie.
Mm-hmm. What is going on in here? Look, it's a house. Minnie.
Oh
Hi, Woody.
no.
Hi, Hanky. Where's Hanky?
He looks like Hanky would just love to be in here.
I know.
What are you doing, Hank? Buster's in here.
What you checking out, Buster?
You gonna pet him again, Sage? Good boy. Aw, he gave you a kiss, Papa.
You. He kissed you good. He's a pretty dog. Hi, Buster.
Good boy, Boober.
Hi, Hanky.
Oh.
I got tricks there. Hi, Hanky.
Easy, Hank. Did that tickle?
He kissed your head. He's just kissing you. He loves you.
Uh-huh. Poppy's like, I'm not getting down.
I know she's not.
Hi.
What's up, Buster Boo?
Oh. Hi.
You like him?
Hi.
You like him?
Hi.
Say hi, Hanky.
See, you guys could do this all the time in here. Just lay down and chill.
Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good job.
Hi.
Uh-huh.
What's he doing back there? What'd you find back here, Buster?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
He likes you. He's kissing your feet.
She just say hi, dog.
Hello. Puppy, he likes your feet taste good.
See, nice.
He's licking them.
Yeah.
Aw, that makes my heart happy. Oh, she got a kiss. She didn't like it.
He gave you a kiss.
That's a kiss.
That's how doggies kiss.
On cheek.
That was a kiss.
That was a big kiss.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Love you.
Now what's Uncle Derek building?
Yeah, you have to put more in the middle, honey. It's too top heavy. That's it.
It's gonna fall, I know it is.
It's gonna fall right on her.
I'm kind of setting them up for failure.
Wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's wobbling.
Oh, when's it gonna fall? Right now.
Whoa!
Shot, Sage. You can put it on Uncle Derek.
Right now.
Look at that! Wow! Jeez,
We have to tie it off.
you're noisy.
She's a little monkey.
Where'd you learn that from? Whoa!
You okay? Come here, Pop.
Come here, bud.
It's okay, Seiji. That was fun. Yay!
Good job, Sage. Right back to
It's
it.
not sitting real steady again.
Sage!
You're not going to take any more chances.
He said, I'll
are
save
you?
you.
That's all done.
I'll save you, Pop.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh, she's trapped. Oh, she's smarter than you, Uncle Derek.
Smarter
You
than
know
you
how
say.
they used to like you?
She's going back in it. She got a new house.
You going in with your sister? Yeah. That's fun.
I can keep my feet on the floor here.
No.
She's fired up today.
Yeah.
My goodness. Look at her.
Your dad's
I know.
Yay!
No wonder they sleep good.
Sage's turn.
Yay! Yay!
No,
Go ahead, Sadie, turn.
Daisy turn.
Oh, jeez.
Good job. Good job.
He's not happy with that one.
What'd you do? Did you hurt your arm? Mwah.
Yeah.
That was a sloppy one, Poppy.
Attitude. Oh, what's the matter? Kiss it for him, Uncle Derek. Want me to kiss it? Yeah.
Grammy, you want to give him a head a kiss.
Aw, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. I love you. Well, Zeke, you ready?
Yeah. I'm going bye-bye.
You gotta give Sage a turn.
Uh-oh.
Whoop! Whoop!
What's him holding on backwards?
Yay! Yay! Look what he did. Yay!
Okay, tell Uncle Derek bye.
You're gonna give Uncle Derek a kiss, bye?
I'm going bye-bye. Me hug.
She wants you to leave.
Bye-bye.
Look at that face. Oh, look at that.
I can't see it.
I love you.
Is she crying?
I love you.
Puckered. She's mad.
Yeah, she is mad.
Bye-bye, buddy.
No, what? You don't want him to leave? So I'm actually getting ready to head out this evening. I am going away overnight. First time away from the kids and not being in the hospital. So I'm going with my friend. We are going for a little work project and I'm gonna bring you guys along. As soon as Daddy gets home, I'm hitting the road and I need to pack. So I'm gonna go do that now. Hopefully the kids play a little bit longer and they will let me finish that. What are you doing, Pop-Pop? You were just jumping on the couch. I prefer you to jump on the other couch because it's bigger.
Oh,
Yeah, it's deeper.
mommy.
Do you want the bus? Will you let me pack if I put on the bus? Okay, can you say thank you? All right, I'll put on the bus. Are you going to take a nap? It's not time yet, baby girl. I found a bus, one that he's happy with. Okay, time to pack. What are you wearing? So you finally decided you want to wear it from last night. You look tough, bud. Yeah? What is that? Green. Good job. This is Ian. Is that purple? Purple. Yeah, green. Yes, there's green there too. Black tires. Purple car. Okay, Mommy's gonna be leaving you soon. They didn't take a nap because they wanted to spend all their time they could with me. You gonna be good for Daddy this weekend? And say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. I'll be back. Super late tomorrow when you guys are fast asleep. I'm gonna miss you. Don't pull that off. It won't hold her shirt up. I think Daddy's home. I think he's home. I can't tell if it's Mommy's car or Daddy's car because the curtain's closed. You gonna be good for Daddy this weekend? Poppy created a potato sack sliding board. I think she's waiting for you to push her. Whee! Alright guys, Mommy's leaving. Can I have a hug and kiss? Well, I'm a hot mess. They were reaching for me, especially Sage. Okay. They're gonna have fun with Daddy. I'll be back late tomorrow night. So it's just under 48 hours I'll be gone, but still. Alright, I'm gonna get going. We're on the road.
Hi, we're on the road. I didn't know you were gonna vlog me already.
First stop, coffee.
Yeah.
Pit stop at a scenic overlook.
Now, imagine how gorgeous this would be if it actually was fall and the leaves turned color.
Like it should be at this moment in time.
Right.
Making a stop for pizza. The pizza, the pasta. Think we were hungry? We got enough food? Well, we got a car full of goodies. Look at this, 3 girls.
Now, more of it is camera gear than it is.
Sure, that's what you say.
That's not a selfie. That's not a selfie. You can't have
Maybe you're supposed to take a selfie with it.
Oh. I wondered. I'm not gonna do it though.
No. Making you happy makes us happy.
That should be our
I was gonna say that could be your new slogan.
team logo.
Today's shout out goes to Rosianna watching from Illinois. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to be a part of Sage and Poppy's baby book, go ahead and leave them a message down below and or let us know where you're watching from, which state or which country, and we'll be sure to include you into their baby book. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!